Welcome to Adrian and Adriancito's daily vlog. We're here with Mike. What are you doing, Mike? Why? What are you waiting for?
Mama.
You're not waiting for no one? What do you have in your hand? What's it called? It's called a tomatolo. Spin it. Are you finally gonna be going home today? You wanna go home? Tell Mama if you wanna go home or not.
Mama, I don't want to go home.
Why?
I like it here.
You like it here with Grandma? How about you, Brisa? Wanna go home?
Yeah.
You got lipstick in your face?
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah.
Why? Alright. So we're heading over to Target. We're gonna go buy Adriancito some uniform materials. Hopefully we can get him shoes. I'm here with Gabby, aka Gabriela, and I'm also here with Nayeli, aka Carla. She's the mom of Adriancito. So let's see if we can go ahead and find him some shoes. And in the meantime, we're playing what, Carla? What are we playing?
Pokemon Go.
We're playing Pokemon. Stay tuned. What? You playing Pokemon too? Okay. Where are we at? And then numbers. Numbers in Target. Guess what we found? What did you find?
Dog.
Dog? Let's see. A dog. You think he's gonna bite? Let's pet him. Let's pet him. Oh! Oh, it's scary, right? Not scary? It's scary. What are we looking for? Shoes? Let's see if we can find some shoes, okay? Okay. Wait, what did you find? What are you eating? Chips? What did you find over there? You found doggy right here. What's wrong with that picture? Doggy tail. So are we done with your school supplies? No, we need to go find you some shoes, black shoes. Look, you're all missing.
No, puppies! Puppies are there.
There's a puppy right over there. Y'all guys see it right here? Puppy. And the puppy tail.
Puppies too.
Yep, you're all messy. Look. What happened to your shirt?
Mouse.
What happened? Alright, up to the next door. Alright, so we're here at Adriancito's room. We're getting ready to play with Thomas, and we have a box full of
Look, I got
tracks.
this.
What is that?
Oh.
Okay.
This is like this. Look, like this. You touch it. You
Catch
touch. Look, you touch it like this.
Oh, wow.
Catch me.
So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna try to put the tracks together. We're gonna do a time lapse. That way it can be faster. And we'll be back when it's done and complete. Okay?
Oh.
Alright? Okay. So it took about a couple of hours to make this track, but we were successful. Me and Adrian were able to, Adriancito were able to put it together. Go fix Thomas, he's stuck. And after a couple of misses and tries, we were able to get it going. I got a lot of requests for people asking me to do Spanish version as well. So I'll be incorporating Spanglish. Vamos a estar haciendo inglés y español, ¿verdad, Adrián?
Yeah.
Ok, mueve tu blanket. Mueve la blanket de ahí, tu cobija. Muy bien. ¿Te gustó lo que estamos haciendo?
Yeah.
Ok, cierra la puerta. Compon bien a Thomas, ponla bien en la pista, que esté funcionando para que corra bien. Agarra el control. Agarra el control, Adrián, para que lo puedas mover. Pues así es como se mira la pista después de unas cuantas horas de tratar y fallar, pero exitosamente logramos completarla. ¿Podemos completar, verdad, Adrián? Yeah, we were able to finish. So, yeah, it's about 11:38, maybe 11:40, and we're about to head up to go night-night in a couple of minutes. And you don't want to go night-night? Okay, Adrian doesn't want to go night-night. We'll maybe leave this like this for today. And tomorrow we'll add more to it. We were thinking of adding Lego to it and a city to it. So hopefully we'll have a big and as you can see right there in the back of the box, atrás de la caja, hay más camas de trains, pero no los usamos porque tomaría todo el cuarto. En cambio, poco a poco trataremos de incorporarlos aquí en nuestra pista. We'll try to incorporate it here in our tracks. Alright, Adrian, you want to say some words to your fans?
Yeah.
Tell them to please subscribe. Please subscribe, tell them. Please subscribe. Por favor, inscríbanse a mi canal. Tell them.
Bye.
Please subscribe. Okay, tell them bye-bye. Bye-bye. If you like what you saw today, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click on the link below. Click on the subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video. Like I said, this is part 1 of the many parts, I guess. Parte 1 de las muchas partes. Trataremos de completar esta pista y a ver qué más le podemos agregar. Hasta mañana. And hopefully we'll see you tomorrow. Mañana tendremos otro video más. ¿Verdad, Adrián?
I'm
Okay. Tell them bye-bye. Suscríbanse. Suscríbanse. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. Adriancito before going to bed. This is an everyday thing.
Mommy. I want mommy.
Turn off the light, Adrian.
No, mama.
Let's go night-night.
No, mama.
Let's go night-night.
No, mama.
Look, everybody's watching you.
No, mama.
Everybody's watching you.
No, mommy.
You want to go night-night?
No, I want mommy.
Well, turn off the light.
No, I want mommy.
Vlog's over.